Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What up, TJ? Yo, you could still hang out in voice if you want, man. What up, Ian? I'm ready to unfuck some accounts. Yo, what up, Paul? What up, Jay Styles? CPI is on. I'm almost positive. That's what I came on for. CPI is supposed to. Yeah. Yeah. CPI will be published to determine Social Security COLA. Yeah, they're gonna release CPI at 8:30 today. It's delayed though. It's I think it's September's. What up, Rhett? Yo, that's my apologies to Marie. Obviously, the first day I said something, we're doing this, but you know, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Yo, if you look, by the way, I fucked up last night. I wasn't really around, but gold short. I looked at gold short. We were like right here last night, and I was like, I should take this short and stop out at 160. It was like 30 points or so. I didn't take it. I should have. I should have. All right. Obviously, it's time to complete degenerate on what do you call it? CPI. So let's light this biatch up. See what happens. Roll the dice. I got to get my my copy trader set up. Man, I was out late last night, and I'm so sore because I pitched. I am like, it's cold up northeast, like up by me. Still in Germany. Ray's having too much fun swiping over in Germany right now. What up, Carl? What do you have, a house in Germany, or you got a girl in Germany that you keep going to Germany? Or family? Oh, you have a house there. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yo, what up? What do I think about CPI? I have a feeling we're going to go up. But just remember, Trump just killed the negotiation with Canada last night. Did you see that? I posted what he wrote in the Discord. Basically, all trade negotiations with Canada are terminated because Canada ran some fucking fake ad. I feel like Germany is a cool place to be stationed at. I feel like it's I feel like Germany would be a pretty cool spot to stay at. I got some Lucid accounts that I'm going to need to unfuck here. Just remember, you can blow them all. Some of these are like fucking done though. I didn't even know I had some of these. The lead account's going to be 4. I'll be honest, I need to change my name again. What's his name change going to be? The U.S. shutdown is not. We're gonna do something in Vegas soon. I'll meet up in Vegas. Yo, $16 a drawdown. I think I have a Tradeify funded account that has $100 left. I'm just gonna throw that bitch on here. Fuck, man. I'm getting sick. Yo, this fucking I got a Tradeify one that not Tradeify one. Tradeify one that has literally $100 of. I took a payout out of it, and that's kind of why it's got no money. I basically took all my money out of it. I'm just looking for it. Oh, there you go. What platform are you running it on, Ray? Are you running on NinjaTrader or are you running it on like another platform? How are you running it? Sean's a retired bot coder as of last night. Sean's retired now. Actually, I'm going to run into a fucking problem with this one. I just realized that. Let's just see what happens here.
Order rejected.
Yeah, see, I just ran all these errors. This is why you test your shit out prior. This is why you test. Now I got to go to pre-allocation. 5. I'm gonna go. Do you use ChatGPT? Oh, Traders Post? I don't even know what Traders Post is. I've never even heard of it. Yeah, Maria, yeah, hell yeah. Yo, I just okay, cool. See, I just ran no errors. All right. All right, I'm all set. Now, just remember, before anyone does this, you can lose every account you do this with. Just an FYI. Every account you have could be lost. I am doing this with shit accounts. Yo, what up, Tommy? You can't do it with a lot of funded accounts. You could do it with evals. So you could do it with TPT evals, but you cannot do it with, like, just to get a sense of what I'm doing it with, Maria. I have a Tradeify funded account with $154 of drawdown. I have a couple Apex accounts I obviously got that, you know, these accounts are like, look, well, this account's blown. You know, this account has $500. This is a eval, has $500 of drawdown. You know, like I'm taking accounts that are just, they're basically on their way out. That's what I'm basically using here. What up, Ola? You know, I'm not using anything good. Yeah, I just want people to be aware of that because, you know, people are, you know, super transparent. Every account I'm using is below the 50,000 level, or it's just I got the account just for this. But by no means am I using any accounts that are good. I'm not even saying to do this. I'm just saying what I'm doing. Yo, I need some CPI luck. I can tell you that. Yo, Maria, I put a video in that Discord area for options, by the way. Just an FYI. I'm gonna make it in a bunch of different. I'm gonna make it in a bunch of different parts. You'll see, because I gave homework at the end. Well, I gave you a homework on it, so I think that's the best way to do it. Is kind of like. So someone asked me, so yo, anytime, any questions you got, I'm here, definitely here. So a couple things. This is the daily. I think we see two options here. I think you're going to see a pop back down into this zone and then up. Or this is the last time we come up here for a while. How's that sound? I think if we drop, so see, we're in this order block again. We've been up here this time, and then we came up here again. We came up here again. We dropped. We came up, dropped. If we drop again, I don't know if we come back up here for a while. Oh, man. CPI day, baby. All right. So we got CPI in 2.5 minutes. It's either going to be a home run or it's not. I'm going to do 78 ticks. So normally I don't get filled at the tick marker. What's going to happen is it's going to blow through and I'm going to get filled fucking up. I usually get filled at a much different spot. So 78 ticks would give me almost $2,800, but usually I get filled past that. We'll see what happens. I would probably rather see it go up. How's that sound? Oh, what sucks is my profit target brings us over 400. I mean, it's kind of flagging here. Oh, Ray, just curious. When you made the thing, how many trades a day does it take? Or it's just kind of like a swing thing for days? I just shorten this up. Only because I always get filled at I always get filled at a weird fucking spot.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Done. Somehow I'm still in.
Order rejected.
Fuck me. Smoked. I should have just played it to the upside. I got completely smoked. Oh, man. I got wicked out at the bottom. Dude, smoked. That's why you only use accounts that are almost dead for the most part. Consumer prices rise 3%, estimated 3.1, core 0.2, estimated 0.3. Inflation is quote unquote going down. Oh, man. Dude, that thing fucking ripped. I should have just played it to the fucking upside. I even said I like it better to the upside. Fuck me. Oh, there you go. I was just wondering. And you're just running the NQ? Yeah, pretty much, Maximus. I mean, this is what it was made for, is to bring evals back from the dead. I should have just played the upside. I got this eval that's fucking half. I want to see what happens right here. They start pumping this thing. I think he's going to go higher. See what happens. I'll fucking risk it for the biscuit. See if they continue up or not. Come on. Get over this. No. Not doing it. Yeah. I mean, if I was playing it like that, fucking hosed me. If I was playing like that, I would just dude, right through all-time highs. Bro, my personal portfolio is fucking cranking right now. Everything's up. Everything's up. That's crazy. Man, I will say, though, you got Trump saying he's not going to negotiate with Canada. I should have just left the up only. Should have just left the up only. I think it's going to come back down. I'd like to see us hit this pivot point, though. 621. Gold just popped. I have an eval. I'm going to play gold, actually, on this eval. $74 stop. I think that's fucking. I would just blow the account at 74, right? Yo. Bro, what the fuck is that? Oh my God. Why? Yeah, shit's just going to be blown. I'm trying to think. What is it? $1,000. So about 33 would be my fucking. Wait, it didn't take your buy orders, TJ? Is that what you're telling me? It didn't take your buy order? Dude, that's wild. What were you using? I might take this in a funded account, by the way, with 3 micros in gold. I want to see it hold 4,100 right here and go bounce up. Dude, you can't use APEX. You can use PA accounts? I didn't know that. Oh, my fucking eye is so itchy. You one-sided? Yeah. I know it's artificial, but you definitely do have an hourly inversion to the upside on gold, and I kind of like 5 minis. 5 minis is enough. Five minis gets the job done. Yo, NQ is not doing shit now either. NQ's coming back also. I almost want to put a order like here. I might do something like that. If I get hit, I get hit. You only got 590? What happened? I guess, you know what happened? It's the spread and all the shit that's going on. I don't know, Kevin. To be honest with you, I'm not playing any, I mean, there's not really a move to be had in a funded account right now anyways. Like, I'm not going to chase the NQ right now. I'm not going to chase the NQ. I mean, you could easily drop down 60 points and still be bullish. Now it's kind of I want to see structure before I do anything here. Man, I should have just played the fucking upside. Yeah, I'm not using any funded accounts right now. Crazy. I'll play the gold play I want with a funded account. But yeah, I mean, this was just, I should have just played the upside. I even said it too, which was ridiculous. I like it so much better to the upside. And I just, man. Well, good morning, Monet. Yeah, Marie. I think about that all the time, why they don't do it. I would think that they would want to do it. How's that sound? Oh, Monet. I got wicked in on CPI and got blown out. Man, we shall see what today is going to bring. Just looking. I mean, the numbers look good. Put it like that. The CPI numbers look good. There's nothing there that I'm like, oh, this sucks. It looked good from what I saw. I also just took $800 payout in TPT, so I'm kind of excited. I did notice, somebody brought up yesterday, I did notice TPT has been like a day behind. So like I requested my payout this morning. I don't think I'm going to get that payout approved until tonight. I just thought about that. I don't think they're going to approve it until tonight. Oh, dude, I got wicked in. I bracket traded it and got wicked in on CPI. I didn't play any funded accounts though, LaRosa. I'm not risking fucking, I played one funded account, had $124 worth of drawdown in Tradeify. Other than that, I'm not risking. I don't risk anything that's decent. I didn't even risk here's a good eval. I didn't even risk that. I just risked ones that were down. No, I just played fun. I played a bunch of evals. No. Dude, I make the market beat me on my funded accounts. I'm not fucking gambling that shit. I think we're going to move around a lot today. I want us to open up is really what I want to do. Oh, man. Yo, just remember, man, Trump said that he's done negotiations with China. Yeah. Yep, I got tagged in. You know what I just realized? Gold, look how much cleaner gold was. I think I said this last time. Like gold was so much cleaner. Maybe I trade gold next time. Look at gold. Actually, next time if somebody reminds me, I'm going to do gold and the NQ. And I want to see how gold goes. But look, there's no wick at the bottom. Gold just goes up. And if you look at the NQ, you get a wick and then up. You know, I think gold is cleaner. Yo, that's crazy that they didn't trigger him in. Oh, I said China. I meant Canada. The wick got me in short. It got me in short, and then it went up. When you play CPI, your accounts are either over or done. I know that, you know, going into it. I'm not expecting any other circumstance besides in or out. Like I'm not thinking, oh, you know, I might get a small loss. Like we're in or we're out. Like it's over or it's not. I knew that going into it. Yeah, I had bracket. I got tagged in probably down here somewhere. Account ran, I'm not sure what that is, but I just got tagged in short and then it went the other way. That's what I assume happened. Oh. Well, now no. And I put like an order here for the downside. So whatever way it goes, I get triggered in. It's weird. Gold's not coming back. Gold popped. Gold's not coming back. I'm going to take my gold. This isn't coming back. I'm out. I had order on the bullish side, but once I got triggered in down here at 7 minis, I was smoked. Got to remember also it's the computer thing going around. Like there's a lot of shenanigans that happen. Boom, 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 boom. So I mean, it is what it is, and now we trade some fucking funded accounts. I would like to see us return right here and then bounce off. The return would be basically 400. What's the computer thing? Oh, what I was talking about? So, because there's so many orders that go in at once, Marie, and so much volume and so much movement, like just because I put my order in at, say, 402 and my sell at, say, 420, it doesn't mean I'm going to get filled at 402 and out at 420. Like, I might get filled at 418 and then I might get out at 460. Or, if it, like, you see this all happen in like 1 second, but within that 1 second, the price could have went up, down, up, down, up. Like, you don't actually know because it happens in an instant. We just see it go up. But in between this candle going up, there's orders that are pushing it like this. So anything could really happen. Just trying to understand the strategy, but when it ran up, oh, dude. All right. Ready? I'll show you the strategy. Say this is CPI, right? Say this didn't happen and we're waiting on CPI, right? I put my order here and I put my order here. When CPI comes out, it either goes up, triggers my buy, triggers my sell, and goes up. Or it drops, triggers my sell, buy back, and it goes. And you get paid. I want to say it works 85% of the time. 80% of the time. Definitely way more than 50%. I don't know the last time I got smoked on CPI or non-farm payroll. How's that sound? I want to say every time it's come out recently, I've passed accounts. Yo, Lucid got rid of their $45 resets. They went to they went to 40% off. Hold on, this is my wife. What's up? I mean, if you do, get me something. I'll take an avocado toast. And even one of those the strawberry maca things. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Sounds good. All right. Love it. Bye. Oh, man. My wife's home sick today. Yeah, Apex has $85 activation fee. Yo, I am getting the basic girl order, bro. Avocado toast and a strawberry maca drink, bro. Iced. But I am drinking my coffee black. I have a big black coffee right now. I only drink my coffee black, by the way. If you're, man, this is going to sound so fucking snobby, but if you have like quality coffee and you make it with a pour over at home, you don't need milk in it. I'm going to show you what I use to make my coffee. They're just blown. That's because the computer couldn't sell out fast enough. So I'm going to show you something. You mean the flu? I don't have that. So I make my coffee in this every morning. You basically have a filter. You take hot water and you pour over, and this actually makes your coffee taste better. Your coffee tastes so much better like this. You could take like not great coffee and it tastes better like this. And this is cheap. Doing it this way is cheaper than buying coffee out. I think this contraption is only like on Amazon. I'll look. I'll look for you guys. As a drip coffee maker, yeah, but are you using pods, Marie? Are you using like a pod dripper? It's drip coffee, but if you're using pods, it's not the same. Cowboy coffee, what is it? That's the butter and shit, right? I refuse to use pods. Regular. I don't know what a regular coffee maker is, to be honest with you. I don't know. I've never had a regular coffee maker. I've had a percolator. I've had the pod thing. I've had Nespresso maker, the Nespresso machine. And then I've had this. I grind my beans also right before I put it in there, so the beans are freshly. I got fresh bean oil in there. I want that bean oil to hit my fucking mouth super hard. Oh. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. My friends, so I have a French press maker, which French press is probably my favorite coffee. French press is probably my favorite coffee. The way that you can make it. Marie, I get that bean juice up in my mouth. But yeah, I don't know. My friend that's really into coffee told me to get this. I got it, and I've liked it ever since. I used to work at a coffee shop. Yeah, that's crazy. You never tried a French press? I love a good French press. Yo, I didn't know we have PMI. When's PMI, dude? Wait. When is PMI? Hold on one second. Dude, did I just get fucked on PMI? Oh, it's at 9:45. You got new home sales at 10 also. So what happened was my friend is really into coffee. And he told me about that shit. And he's the guy that ate that monkey coffee. You ever eat that monkey coffee? I'm not trying it, but I bet. But monkeys eat coffee beans and shit them out, and people use that to make coffee with it. Don't ask me why. But he had everything at his house. Like, he's got volcanic coffee. He's got, like, you go over there and he's like, yo, this single origin coffee is made from some fucking Amazon people who have never seen the real world, but they make coffee and export it. Like, there's like always some fucking story with his there's always some type of fucking yeah. He's always got some type of story with his coffee. By the way, this was an awesome gold trade, by the way. This isn't a funded account. It's Slurm. I don't know what Slurm is, but I think it's a funny word. So anyways, he's always got all this interesting coffee that, like, some of it you can't find anywhere. I don't even know where the fuck he finds it from. And he told me to get the Chemex, so I got it. And I've liked it ever since. If this turns green, I'm going to go to the bottom of this candle. Yo, it's electrolytes. Plants need electrolytes. Isn't that what he says? Idiocracy. Hold on. It's what the plants need, electrolytes. Oh, the giant gross worm. That's gross. See, that's a funded account hit right there. 312. Brondo. Plants crave Brondo, and Brondo has electrolytes. Yo, I'm done for the day right there. 312. Boom. Jim Blab. Yo, you're thinking of civets. I don't know what civets is. Yo, BK, you didn't want to try some monkey poop coffee? Yo, no, they eat the coffee beans. So basically, I don't know. This one's saying the monkeys chew it and spit it out. Not into that type of stuff, Marie? Yeah, I didn't try it. Yo, what the fuck is this? Yo, who's paying for this shit? You ready? Hold on, my wife again. Hey. Oh, okay. So just get me matcha. Just get me regular matcha, I guess. All right. Bye. My ad? I don't run any ads. Yo, take a screenshot because I don't know what it is. LaRosa, take a screenshot. I don't run ads, so I have no fucking idea what you're talking about. No idea. An ad? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. I honestly don't even know what you're talking about. I need a screenshot. Send it to me. Send it to me in Discord in a message. I honestly don't even know what you're talking about. My ad or a coffee ad? Yo, I just passed that. Fuck. Oh, ad from Japan. Oh. Yo, I was thinking, I was like, I don't run ads at all. That's why I was curious. Yo. All right, check out this coffee. You ready? Who the fuck is paying $400 for 16 ounces of coffee? If you subscribe and save, it's only $3.19. Yo. Yo, you got a picture of it? Yo, I was saying gold was looking hot, man. Gold was looking really good to keep going up. So the reason why I liked gold, I took it off of this inversion right here. See how we inverted right here? Technically, your stop was here, and I took the first inversion. And in theory, the TP is really like 136. Like, to me, that was I don't want to say an easy one, but I mean, I took it with a funded account. If it was during market hours, I probably would have taken it with a couple other accounts. But yeah, I should. This is my Lucid fucking fund. This is my Lucid funded account. I should have taken it in that. What up? Yo, my fucking alarm just keeps beeping. It wants me to hit the button so hard. I'm just like, I don't feel like getting up. Yo, I just want this to open. I got to hit the button real fast. Hold on one sec. Oh my God, I'm so sore. Holy shit. Oh. Oh man, I'm so sore. I'm back. Yo, everybody left. Every motherfucking light on in this house. Every light on is in this house. Like, what's going on here? Now I know how my dad felt. Leaving lights on. I'm always like, yo, shut them fucking lights off. Yo, that gold play was where it was at. Dude, gold looked awesome, man. Gold looked really good. Save the election. I know. And the heat. I don't know how you guys grew up, but my house growing up, I don't know why it was like this either. In the summertime, we all had the AC units in our windows, right? My dad would turn it on as cold as possible at high. So 10 high. But we only had 3 rooms. Me and my brother shared a room. My other 2 brothers shared a room, and my dad had a room. And it was like you'd go in the shower or like the house itself in the summertime was like warm. It was always warm in my house. But you'd get in my fucking bedroom and it was like an ice box. It felt so good. And then we had 1 AC unit on the main floor, which cooled off the main floor. Really, it just kind of took humidity out. But in the wintertime, my dad did not want to pay for oil. Yo, that motherfucker kept the heat at like 62. No joke. Like, I started dating my wife, and she would go to we were like, come to my dad's house. And I was like, listen, it's going to be cold at my dad's house. Bring a hoodie. She's like, what do you mean the heat's on? I'm like, no, the heat is not on. The heat's on 62, and you're going to be fucking cold. Grew up in Southern California. We just had window. Yeah. I mean, I didn't know anything about central air until I bought my own house. Didn't look at gold, but what did you do? I bought gold. Here, the better entry was my funded account. I bought gold when it broke. See how you kind of broke this trend? You got a higher low and broke this trend, and I bought it here. And then I added up here also. I added in the winter, he was saving money, Marie. He was saving money. My dad always said, if you didn't have a hoodie on and fucking sweatpants, go put it on. And you know what's crazy about that is when I got older, like I just would leave the heat like at like 60 in the winter. And it was like I'd be in a hoodie and shorts and it'd be 60 in my house. And if I was dating somebody and they came over to my house, everybody was like, bro, why is it so cold in here? I'm like, yo, this is normal. It's 68. How did I go from 50K to minus? I played CPI and got wicked in. CPI did me dirty. I gotta switch my my copy trader though. I split these in two normally. So I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna do what is that? 301 is gonna be the main account's gonna be 301. And I'm gonna take boom. Yeah, it happens, AD. I mean, I listen, I know before I even get into it what the outcome could be. If you go into it and you're not willing to accept the loss, then, then that's an issue. Dude, the fact that they didn't trigger you in is kind of whack. After looking closer, I would have gotten wicked out of that first candle anyways to the downside before that push up. In gold, there was no reason to get out. Your stop would have been 90. And if your stop isn't like low enough, then you got to reduce your contracts you're in. Yeah, I don't know. I just play the chart. I just played this inversion to the upside. There's nothing else about. I don't care what happened. That was just what I played. Now what sucks is there's kind of like two scenarios that can play out here. Either we dump and retrace this whole move, or we're just kind of grind up. If this candle goes green and it goes into the 90s, I'm going to move to break even. So if this goes into the 90s, this goes green and pushes up. Worst case scenario like that. I took a shot and I'm out. Yeah, no, that's why I just did what I did, Murray. I took a quick shot. It was either going to go straight up or not. I got wicked out, but I'm fine with that. I'll take shots like that. I don't care. The risk reward is just there. If it was during the day, I would have given myself more leeway, but this is what I was kind of hoping for, and then go to break even and then just kind of sit and wait. I just got fucking stopped out. All right, we got 7 minutes. I always say not to trade 7 minutes before fucking market open. That I would say. I would say just chill out and wait for this to at least open. I'm getting my quant. I'm getting my quant tower ready. I got to figure out what I want to do here. My lead account is going to be I have all these cash accounts. 29 is going to be my lead account. So 29. And let me see what I got in here. So it's 29 is going to be the lead account. And then I got 31. 32. There we go. So watch us just dump out. Watch us just fucking dump out here. I'm in 2 micros. This is like a $30 trade. I'm going against all my rules right here. There, I can't get hurt now. Whatever happens, happens. Right? I'm in. I'm in. Whatever happens, happens. This shit's about to open. I think we're going to go down and then back up, probably. I would love to see us come down and go back up. Come on. I don't really know. Yeah, YOLO, Texas. Got a YOLO sometimes. Got a YOLO. Oh, man. Is this thing going to fucking just give it up? Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Wait till the market opens. Wait till the market opens. All right. Fucking here we go. Oh, all right. Man, this looks fucking shitty. And just bro, that was so fucking dangerous. I just took 2 trades in 2 seconds, by the way. I lost $300 and then I made $450. Net $100. But by the time you guys see it with a 5-second delay, I am actually out. That's why I don't do it on here, because somebody's gonna fucking do it. And I'm gonna show you what I took if you want to see it. What did I fucking take? I tried to play the momentum to the downside here, and then I got wicked back up here, and then I took it back down here again. So basically, I was trying to ride this momentum candle down and open, and then pushed it back up. I got stopped, and then I got it right here. But by the time the YouTube shows it, I would be fucking. It would be done. If you get what I'm saying. There's like a 3 to 5 second delay, and somebody's gonna follow it. So that's why I don't. This is gonna come down. That's probably the most dangerous trade that I do is the morning shit. It's just so fucking. It's discretionary. It's not. I'm just waiting. Holy shit. It's kind of bullish. They're going to push this all the way back up to 91. I have a feeling. I mean, I'm not playing. I'm just waiting. I want to see what happens. They can easily just turn this shit around, but look at that. There you go. 91. Fuck, man. I should have taken it. I should have. The Poop Coffee is legit. Yo, have you tried it, Ray? I shut off my quant tower. I'm up $100 in 4 accounts, and they're all funded. I'm done with it. I'm done with that. Think of what I want to do here. Man, they're just cranking this fucking thing. Holy shit. I'm just freaking. I'm rolling some of my positions around. The rest of this shit, I'm just gonna let it expire. Nah. I would wait until we get some type of something here. I mean, this is not what I really want to trade. We just went straight the fuck up. We went straight up, so I'm just gonna chill for 2 seconds. I'm adjusting this shit. I'm up over $3,000 today at open, which is this number. And I'm just adjusting I'm just selling some shit out and adjusting myself. Oh.
This girl's been kind, and she's
Thank
actually
you.
she's such a tremendous loser, to be honest with you.
Oh my God. My wife comes in, you can hear her talking about some girl being a tremendous loser. Oh my God. $20 in Bali. What do they have? The chimps in a cage and they're just telling them to eat? What the fuck? No, she didn't say that. Yo, you're gonna get me canceled, Texas. Yeah, what's it like? Bro, the one perk about my wife being off today is I get breakfast. I don't ever eat breakfast. Yo, I'll show you what this looks like, by the way. This shit looks so good. Yo, it's avocado toast with bean sprouts on it. And sun-dried tomatoes and avocado. See if I can just fucking scalp it if it stays above 500 here. It stays above the 9, above 500. I'm literally just looking for a quickie. Quickie, just give me fucking $50. Oh! I'm getting out. This is going to dump. I'm out. This is fucking... No. Oh, shit, man. This is fucking hard to cut. That's wild. So what's the deal? They eat the bean, and then what happens? This is going to come down. I just feel like this is going to drop. Yo, how much caffeine did the fucking animal have, though? Like, you got to think that fucking animal is just eating caffeine all day, right? Yeah, look at that. I fucking seen this happen. Did I just grab out my fucking contracts? The fuck was that? Dude, today's not starting well. Bro, I'm fucking gonna just wait. Oh, what the fuck? Is there news? Was there news? Bro, I forgot that there was news coming out. Cool. Bro. Yo, I'm on like 4 hours of sleep, Knob. I'm exhausted. Yo, this looks like they're gonna just fucking pump it. Just straight pumping. I'm watching on my screen. I'd like to see a dip down, but I'm afraid if we get a dip down, it doesn't fucking come back. Here comes the dip that I wanted. Come on. I'm just watching this. You're in a 1 minute breaker right here. Just went through it. Yo, if it wasn't for news, I would literally be in this short. I'm just watching where we close at on this candle. I'd like to see us down. Oh my God, bro. They give you these fucking plastic knives. Yo, shit's not cutting fucking sourdough bread, I can tell you that much. This one's gonna dump. Yo, how fucking... They gave me $20 on that? It was up 100. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, that's crazy. I'm with you, Marie. I was in it before and got stopped out. Yo, I'm just waiting until I'm done fucking eating. Time to make all this back. I gotta look, Stockage. Man, that's a big fucking 1 hour gap. I hate these fucking news days. I'll take an inversion pop. Here we go. I took it when we just inverted right here, and I took it too soon. We'll see what happens. Really need to close over 92. I too soon juniored it, and I'm probably going to fucking pay for it. Give me a 92 close, and I'm like money. Yo, did you say there was news today at 10? $7 massages. Come get my fucking order, man. My order's right there. Are you too good for your home? Answer me, NQ. I got 5 minutes to get out of this fucking trade. All right, I got 5 minutes to get out of this thing. All right, I'm out until the news comes out. I'm out till the news comes out. News comes out in 4 minutes. I got fucked in news already today. I'm not getting fucked twice. Or three. It would be 3 times, actually. I got fucked in the morning on CPI. And then again at 9:45. I will not take it 3 times. Yeah, 10 a.m. is University of Michigan sentiment. Also, it's new home sales as well. That's why I got out of this shit. Just relax. Just relax. Got a couple minutes, and that's it. Come on. Ray, the automated trader. I love it. Bro, I need a straw on this thing. Yo, you got 30 seconds. Watch your butthole. 30 seconds. Holy shit. What's up, Mr. Mulatto? Wow. Yo, it just froze on me. Yo, what the fuck was that? Did your Tradeivate just freeze? Yo, my shit just froze. That's why you get out during news. Mr. Mulatto got his first payout. Yo, was that a Take Profit Trader account, Mulatto? Yeah. Yeah, that means you could do daily payouts every single day. You could start racking up payouts. Go to Payout City. Oh. Yo, don't trade the account until the money hits, man. Until the money comes out of the account. You don't want to lose it. Don't want to lose it. Oh man, I can tell I'm sick. My ears are like clogged. Oh man. All right, let's see what happens here. We're back up at the top of the orb. I want to see through. See, like technically this isn't the top of the orb because we fucking wicked. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah, this is the orb. This is the imbalance up here. My ears are clogged. Yo, Ray, only because I'm looking for another hobby. What's the deal? You basically just sign up and then do you have to code it yourself or you just kind of do settings? Just wondering. Just wondering because I like to tinker with shit all the time. I'll run my own real money in it and see what happens. Like, is there presets that you can then change around, or do I have to code? Oh my god. Not gonna lie, their matcha latte is fucking pretty good. What did you do? Did you code it? Did you code yourself or tinker with presets? Only because it's the weekend and like if I get a couple hours where I'm like, man, I'm bored, I'll hop on this thing and dick around. I'll let it play one micro of my real money and see what happens. It's just another it's just a roll the dice thing. I wanted to do it all for free. They charge like $300 a month in some places to use their code. Nick, I got it. For first, where are you from? Like, are you in the US or are you in another country? So, Ray, so you paid, which plan did you get? Yeah, but you use Trader's Post. So, which plan did you get? Did you use a US? It's messy, brother. Nick is messy? Yo, if you want, Nick, it's hard for me to like troubleshoot this right here. But post your shit here. Not your name, but like, and I can like really look at it. This is an inverted Head and Shoulders, by the way. I'm just gonna take it small. So you got a shoulder, even though it's at the top of the range, but you got a shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah. So Trader Post is only the bot. You have to then create your own code somewhere else. Is that how it works? Oh. Oh, I thought you used Trader Post and it has everything in there. I thought you could do everything in there. I didn't know that you had to like go outside for shit. Yeah, man. I'll see what the deal is. Trade Day has no activation fee. Bro, what wealth charts might be the worst fucking thing ever. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know anything about coding. That's why I was just wondering if I could just fucking play with presets until I came up with something that I liked. I'd run it on my personal. You love wealth charts? Bro, gold is just crazy. Gold's just been running, man. Yeah, it's super fucking expensive, man. I was looking to have some fun. Like, I'm not like I want to make money off of it, but like I also want to have fun dicking around with it. You know what I mean? What up, Newts? You know, I want to have fun doing it. Like, oh wow, this is cool. This is cool. Like, I don't want to just use like a preset thing. Like, I want to be able to tinker. Dude. I see. I just have no desire to do preset stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It's all fun and games. Man, we are. What do you guys think about a 10 o'clock reversal here? Anyone feeling a 10 o'clock reversal? Or is it just going to pop? I mean, gold's been crazy. I mean, trading at all-time highs is ridiculous. I mean, you can't even I can't even like adjust and be like, "Oh, like I have no fucking idea where we're going." We already made the move that I had. Man, I would love to see a 10 o'clock reversal. I don't know, man. Yo, Mick, you're on fire, dude. You got your payout yesterday. You passed a Tradeify account today. I feel like you're really doing well. Yo, I'll hit you with the clap. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, you're crushing it. I kind of want to take this short. Wait, why Oh, fuck me, man. I didn't know I had I was in micros. I was in minis. Come on and make the move already. Make the move down. Come on. Get me out of this two-piece McNugget, and I can ride free. Come on. They're going to algo candle it down. Just push it. It's making me want to take small-ass fucking gains is what it's doing, only because I'm down in these accounts. If I wasn't down in these accounts, I probably wouldn't care, but I don't want to go down like $300. You know what I'm saying? Just give a fucking flash push, bro. Come on. What up, Vassal? What up, futures? If we go back over, I'm out. I don't want to go back over the I don't want to go back over the orb. Oh my god. Nope, going back over. It's okay. Keep my losses tight. Keep it tight. I've been up twice in this short, and I just don't. Oh, I just don't fucking take it. I don't know. I just haven't. I just don't take it like a fucking loser. I guess I don't know. I'm expecting more. Both times I got in short, I was up more. I was up. I could have made $50 each time, and I'd be up $100. Instead, I took a loss. Right and tight. Oh, get under this fucking 50 and we got money. Get under this 50 and we got money. Push it. See, I play the bounce off this 50 a lot, so I'm worried that we're going to bounce up. See how... I want it to get under. Come on. No. All right. Yo, that's fucking great. Yo, I don't think people realize what type of beating you can take from gold. Yo, the gold beating is ridiculous. I mean, it's just the beating is ridiculous. and it comes so fast. You're just like, wait, what just happened? Yo, all I had to do was hold, Ray. Just had to hold. Yo, gold is ridiculous. Stock H. I don't know why gold is. I think it's just the amount of money and how fast it moves. Gold can just give it to you quick. I'm just playing a quick scalp here. We're going to come back up and hit 29. I'm telling you right now. Uh-oh, my fucking leaf blower man's outside. I like gold on the hour and the 4 hour. Huh. Well. We're just going to fucking chop. I mean, maybe the guy just explained himself and they paid him. You know, I think the guy jumped at conclusions probably and didn't just work it out with the firm. There's too many people that post shit, Rua, that like they don't even try working it out with the firm. It's just like 12 hours went by and they're like, yo, they didn't pay me. Like, bro, you can work it out with a business. If the money wasn't sent, you can work it out. It may take days, but you can work it out. I don't think it was one person. I think it was just the person worked it out with the company. You know, I don't think Kellyanne did anything. I think the company just was looking at it and it took time. You know, that's how it probably worked. It's probably customer support probably had to reach out to accounting. Accounting probably had to reach out to Rise, and they probably all had to go back. And that was it. I mean, it probably just took days. I mean, that's all I think it was. I don't think anybody did anything. I think it was just, you know, going back and forth. No prop firm is going to risk their reputation over a couple $1,000. It just makes no sense. Any business. You know, I just don't think any business is going to risk money. Like, it wasn't even a lot of money, whatever you told me it was. So that's why I just feel like in this space, people just, you know, I just kind of feel like, you know, you're going to share it around. Like, you got to think, like, when you hear people don't get paid by somebody, it's some guy that didn't get paid, but he goes in like 10 or 15 different chat rooms. He goes into every Discord and posts this information everywhere. And then everyone's like, oh, Fidias doesn't pay because they've seen it everywhere. While the other 99 people that got paid, I'm not running into every chat room being like, yo, Fidias paid me. Hey, guys, Fidias paid me. Like, you're just going about your business, right? And I think that's how people get bad reps. And I don't think they want that over a couple bucks. It just doesn't make sense. You know, that's just my opinion about the thing. Like, I wouldn't risk my reputation over a couple $1,000 when you're pulling in fucking thousands of dollars a day anyways. Yeah, exactly. So I don't think it was anybody. I think they just had to sort it out. That's also not the first person I saw that said that the company paid them on Rise and then it wasn't in Rise. And it was the same situation, but it was elite trader funding, not Fidias. So I think that's what it is. I think there's just sometimes a miscommunication. Just feels weird. Like, listen, I get it when somebody hits them for like 80 grand and they're like, yo, we're not paying that. You know. And then I would say it's fishy, you know, 80 grand, 100 grand, and they don't want to pay. Then I'm kind of like, okay, like maybe something, you know. But for peanuts, makes no sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, I tried to pass a fucking Lucid account in 2 seconds. I didn't realize Lucid has a daily loss limit. That sucks. I didn't blow the account, but I did some fucking straight up degenerate shit. I want to see us come down here for a bounce. I try not to do super degenerate shit on the stream because people fucking watch. But I took a Lucid account. I didn't realize there was a daily drawdown. That's so stupid. Why is there a fucking daily loss limit? Why? Yo, it came all the way back to my entry. That's why I don't like daily loss limits. Because if I forget and I size up, why Lucid? It was $45 resets, and I had and it was sitting in my account. It was $45 all in, no activation fee. So I got some the other day, and I just fucking went all in. I didn't realize that it was a daily loss limit, though. Otherwise, I wouldn't have went in that heavy. Because it only is $1,200. That's half the account. Like, there's a lot more room left to. I would be up right now. Yeah, like the daily loss limit just fucked me. Activation is included. No, Lucid has activation included. So it's $45, no activation fee for resets. They got rid of the deal though. It was the other day. Yeah, I don't use Legends. Fuck them. Yeah, I like your charts. Futures. What fucking platform is that? Oh, you're using that's Quant, right? Is that Quant? Futures trader, is that Quant? Yo, what up, Cash? Oh. Yeah, Legends is expensive. I'm not fucking with them. Yeah, a small shot. Three micros. I'm gonna add if we come up to like 97. Because if I add two more, it's only like $40 extra of risk. Yo, what up, Corey? I'm taking a shot to see if we retrace this whole fucking move. Bro. Yo, I couldn't lose yesterday. And ever since CPI, I fucking sucked balls. Watch. And I was right so many times. I've been stopped out. I got stopped out on news at 9:45. I got stopped out on my short over here at the fucking top. I got wicked out. Watch. I'm going to get wicked and it's going to come back down. Tell me I got wicked out. This thing better go all the way back up. Better go all the way back up. This thing just drops. I'm not playing this to the upside, by the way. Oh, man. I'm just watching. Fuck it. I got in because of my stop is 86. Come on. My inner scalper says take $72 and run. I know, LaRosa. It happens every time they have these fucking pre-market news. It just fucks the day up. Come on. Pop it right up there. Whatever. I took $100. I don't know, man. I think I agree with you. When we have CPI, I like the move all the way back down to the base candle. You know, when you give it up and it comes all the way back down, like that move is the move that I like when we have this big news. In theory, you could just chop the rest of the fucking day. I mean, that's the big move normally, Sean, is like the retrace. It's usually great. I'm down a bit. I'm up in 4 Fideas fundeds, 100 apiece. I'm done with Lucid. I need to trade these today at some point and work these back. I also have wealth charts up. I'm about even on wealth charts today. I was down and I just played this right here with fucking 2 minis and I got back and I'm just hanging. Oh, man. This has been a great week, though. I can tell you that. I also took an $800 payout from TPT today, so that makes me feel a little bit better. Man, the biggest problem is like you have no targets or anything. Like, where are we going to go to the upside? Who the fuck knows? I would say I want to see us trade back down. You had 92% win rate. Better than mine. Oh, my God. Yo, I can't wait to take. It's cold in my office. I can't wait to take a hot shower. I'm trying to see where I can find something on my screen. Is it activity? Activité? Man, this fucking market. Yo, just so you guys know, there's a 20% off flash sale happening today at noon on My Funded Futures. It's for pro accounts. Just an FYI. I don't know if you guys trade pro accounts. I'll show you what it is. Honestly, I think the cores are better. How's that sound? Am I just being honest? Is it weird? Like somebody's just fucking being honest? Like they're running a deal? I'm just going to show you. They're running this deal. It's 20% off. But I think the core plan is just a better deal. I think these accounts are like almost $200. And the other ones are 77. Why do I like the core better? I think you could buy 3 core accounts for 1 pro account. And there's no consistency rule. What makes the pro? Why do you like the pro better than the core? I don't know. Core is a third of the price. And you still have no consistency rule. Payouts are the same. I don't know. What makes you like the pro better? I'm guessing you could trade more contracts. I don't know. I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. I don't know what makes the pro better. So what's the deal with the pro account, Sean? Is there like can I just make $10,000 and then take $10,000 out? Like, is that what the deal is? Less limits on payouts? Yo, I'm just going to be straight up honest. The majority of the people are not taking out massive payouts. So the pro, 50K. There's no scaling rule, so obviously you could trade more. But the max drawdown is the same. Profit target's the same. The only difference is you can use more contracts. Right? Profit target the same. This is all the same. This is all the same, right? All the same. The only difference is there's a scaling rule. Actually, there's a micro scaling rule. I don't know. I'm just saying for a third of the price core seam, actually it's $73 with my code. So I don't know. Listen, I was just telling you guys, they're running a flash sale. It's 20% off. If you want to grab a pro account, get one. I'm just being honest with you. Very few people are honest. They'll just say, hey, man, go get the pro account. I'm being honest with you. And I'm saying, I don't know if I would get one. I would probably get 3 core accounts. But also, if you have 3 core accounts for the same price as a pro account, you have a higher chance of getting a payout with 3 accounts versus 1, right? You don't have all your eggs in one basket. Nah, it's 3K, Stock Itch. It's 3K right now. But then ask yourself, how many times are you taking out $3,000 every 5 days? I mean, the odds are you're not taking out $3,000. Yeah. No, and listen, I'm just being honest with you. I'm not one of these fucking guys on Twitter or whatever that are like, going to try selling you something that I don't think is fucking worth it. You know, if you trade them and you like them, 20% off. I think when they did that add-on thing, they made the core accounts awesome. I think the core accounts are one of the best accounts out there. I think the core account, besides a TPT account, the core account, I think, is where it's at. But, you know, that's just my honest opinion. You know, I'm not going to tell you something. I'm just going to tell you my thoughts on it. That's all. I would grab cores. The fact that they did the add-on for the core, I think that was a huge bonus. That made the core account so much better that you could take more money. No. First touch, 200, not holding. Not today. Oh, it's holding. Just took my fucking order out. Man, I've been fucking wicked out today. If this gets stopped out, I'm not copy trading these 4 accounts. I'm going to switch it to 2. I've just been stopped out, wicked out by fucking wicks all day. Yeah, it gets like rolled over or something, Nick. It's like Topstep. It's a Topstep clone at this point. They eventually roll it. I guess after 30 days, they roll it into your live. I think that's how it works. Is they eventually roll it. You don't just not get it. Basically, they went to the Topstep model, M&M, where it's 50%. You withdraw 50% of your money, and I think after 30 days, you can get it all when you go live. I think that's what they went with. Oh, look at that shit. Right at the fucking... I want them to take this out and then come back up. I don't know. Over there, I'm not sure if they batch them all in one. Yeah, they definitely... You don't lose your profits. You definitely don't lose your profits. They basically set it up just how Topstep has it. Yo, of course, when I take off these two, now I hit for 100 and something. Awesome. Have I tried only taking second entries? What's a second entry? What's a second entry? Why not DCA? Because that's how you blow your accounts. Oh, you mean a second entry like keep adding? Add to a loser? I don't want to add to a loser. I'm going to take a shot here that this goes all the way back up. If I'm wrong, I got 5 micros. See, I'm watching this, and it's bouncing right off of the inversion. My stop out should be 51. So I'm playing this. See how we retested? Came down, retested this. Now I would like to see a 474 break to the upside. Sounds BS. Sorry. No, man. You feel free to take a second entry. The problem is I backtest taking the entry. Like I backtest taking the first entry. I don't like, and I know it works over time. So I wouldn't. I probably wouldn't I wouldn't take some other thing. Dude, if this thing can blow itself through fucking 74. I don't know. So how would I do that here? I basically take the inversion back up after it's taken out lows or internal liquidity. So, this where I got in is where I want to get in. Come on, get a close. Oh. Just having a rough time in this market. I'm not great when the big move is pre-market like we had. You know, like me personally now, I want to take these lows out. I want to do this. I would want to go down to like, yeah. You got London highs. Yeah. Just not a great day. Nah, it's these accounts that I'm copy trading. This was just CPI. This I don't give a shit about. This is all CPI. I'm up in wealth charts now because I took wealth charts. I took 2 minis on this. So I'm up in wealth charts. I got a TPT payout coming my way, which is nice. That's 800. That's good money. And then having a pretty good day here. I'm up $3,200 right now. It's just these fucking accounts that are hurting me. Hey, man, not every single day is a green day. But if I can get these accounts to only be down a little bit, it'd be nice. I just got to wait. Just got to wait till the trade presents itself. You know, the worst thing you can do is just kind of rush it. I don't want to rush it. I don't want to, you know. I'm not even opposed. Like, man, yo, this leaf blower guy's on my fucking face right now. He's on my deck. Bro, he's like right next to me. This guy's blowing it all over my face. I'm like, ah. I copy trade a lot. I'll rotate. Like if I'm not having a great day, I'm not going to copy trade a lot of accounts. You know, it's kind of my own internal risk management, right? You know, and when I'm feeling good, like yesterday, I copy traded 6 accounts at once. You know, I even have internal risk management like this. So this account and this account were about equal, right? At almost 51,007, right? They're almost by a payout. I wasn't going to copy trade both these accounts at the same time in case I had a bad day today. I still have another account that's close to a payout. So I use internal account management also. Did I garden? No, it's my landscaper. My landscaper's here. But yeah, I use account management. You know, these are all things within the prop firm space that I do. Tradeify, I don't know what that means. Not exactly sure what that means. Super messy. I want to go lower. I want us to go lower is what I want to do. Kind of flag, break these lows, maybe to 400, and then come back up. Bro, this guy's like right on my fucking face. What up, Dreamer? My house? How often is he at my house? Once a week. It's Friday. Every Friday he's at my house. No, I know Tradeify is a prop firm, but he just wrote Tradeify. I don't know what that means. I know. I just got paid by Tradeify last week. I got my Lambo certificate. Hold on one second. Let's see. Do I know what Tradeify is? There you go. October 17th. My fucking Lambo, man. I got a Lambo. That's the Tradeify payout certificates. Bro, the guy's almost done though. He blew my deck out. He's blowing the he blew my back out. Bro, he's just all over me, man. Guy won't stop. Yo, I just got my first email for Black Friday. Sounds like my wife with the pool boy. What up, Victor? Fresh, clean teas, 50% off. Yo, I'm just going to tell you, some of these places do like early Black Friday sales, and then Black Friday comes and they even have a better sale. I don't buy any early Black Friday sales. I wait until it's Black Friday. I want to see it on the date because that's when they run their best shit. Early Black Friday deals. You're not going to get me. I'm not a sucker. Yo. Oh, I'm fucking tired, man. Yeah, this price action sucks. This is your first Black Friday with prop firms, Monet. When you get to be about a week or two out, just trade your account slowly so you don't have to buy anymore. Black Friday is where you load up. Now, just remember, here's a little tidbit. You want to make sure that if you blow the account on your Black Friday deal, that it rebills at the same amount. If it doesn't and you blow it, make sure to cancel it. But if you get accounts, like I have Apex accounts that were $16 and they rebill at $16, those are the ones you want, because if you don't pass them, they just rebill at $16 and now you have that great deal another month. Those are the deals you really want, is the ones that rebill at the cheap amount. But either way, they're going to be really good for a month. That's typically when I load up. I'll just fucking, I'm like that fucking meme, just like take my money, just fucking take it. You know what it is? It's just, that's the best time to buy them. You know, I'm here to save money. Awesome. It actually never took me out of 51. I would have been in this. I got to just fucking hold. Oh, I know, Nick. I know. E-com is suffering that right now. What do you mean, Texas? What do you mean, people buying shit online? Is this coffee still hot? Not too shabby. The bot never takes you in. I don't know why in raffle. I don't know. I just saw you on the stream for the first. You got to be on the stream for a little bit before it allows you in. It's automated. Everyone, it's automated. Streamlabs gives you points for just being on the stream, and then it's literally 2 points to get in the duck race, which is 10 minutes on the stream. Yo, Ray, do you remember when skirt steaks were cheap? Dude, Nick, I'll give you the rank of prop firms that I'm affiliated with or not. It has no. My fund of futures is running some flash deal, and I told you it's not good. I don't need, you know. I'm always honest, because if I'm not honest, then this doesn't fucking work. I always say, if you're getting payouts, Take Profit Trader is the number one. I have just gone 9 out of the last 10 days taking a payout. I requested an $800 payout this morning from it, and they're the best. They're the best because you could trade any strategy you want. The hardest part to them is once you're funded, you have to get over the buffer because the buffer is trailing. So there's a $2,000 trailing. But once you get over that buffer, it becomes a static account. And you get daily, you just request daily. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that. It's like trading your own money. So I have to rank them number one. Number two, I would have to go with My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures core account to me is it's actually the easiest to get a payout out of any prop firm because it's 5 days of $100 or more. Yes, you can have 5 days, make $1,000, withdraw the $1,000, and it blows the account. But the $1,000 is in your pocket. You can go get another account or two, pass, and then you got a funded account again with money in your pocket. When you take a step, all right. So those are like Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. Now you start getting into the next tier, I would say. Not that it's bad, it's just the next tier. And each one serves a purpose. Apex provides you cheap fucking accounts, especially when they have $85 lifetime. Topstep to me is just too expensive. And they're charging you tax now also, right? So it's like $54 for a 50K. And then it's like $158 activation fee. My Funded Futures has the same rules as them, but you get the accounts cheaper. I haven't been with Lucid that long, but what I've seen, everything has been on the up and up with Lucid. I would do like on that next tier down from Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures, I'd probably say Lucid's in there. Let me see what other off the top of my head. Lucid's in there. Tradeify is in that batch. So you have like Tradeify, Lucid. Trade Day is in that batch too. The reason I have Trade Day in that batch is their evals suck. It's 30% consistency rule. So that means you have to actively trade for 4 days to pass. 30%, 30%, 30%, and then 10%. I would say that batch is that. It's like Tradeify, Trade Day, Lucid, Apex only when they're running their deals is in that batch. If Apex is $125, then it's out of that batch and it's a lower tier. Bulenox is another one. When they're running that 91% off is in that batch. $16 accounts. Activation fee is expensive, but if you pass 1 in 3 accounts, you have a funded account for $200. And then below that is like funded Next, funded Ticks, and all the other bullshit ones that, I don't know. That's my opinion. And those are my reasons behind the opinion. Like, it's not just telling you, Also, you got to remember, man, I am looking for prop firm deals. So, like, if somebody starts to run some fucking crazy deal, like, so I have Elite Trader funding, right? I have Elite Trader funding accounts. No, Bulenox is 150. Yeah, it's 150, I think it is. 140 or 150. I think it's 150. I could be wrong. But anyways, I also trade with Elite. Elite is like a lower tier one. But they've paid me every single time. I've had no issues with them. But I will only buy an Elite Trader account when they run Beat the Beast. If they're not running Beat the Beast, I'm not fucking buying one. Honest. I'm not buying one unless they run Beat the Beast. You know, if they're not running that challenge where you have to make $500 in a day to pass or, you know, some great deal, I'm just out on it. And I tell everybody that. Yeah, I trade these. But I only get them when they're on a crazy deal. I'm not just going to go out and what up, Trader Samoa? Good morning, Carolina. Good morning. Good morning. You know, there's a place for prop firms, but like I'm only grabbing them when they're on discount, some of them. Or they offer something. I'm not just going to blindly buy some of them. And that's my honest opinion. Oh, man, my fucking eyes. How do you even trade? You don't. I'm starting to get hungry. I mean, at some point, if it stays like this, I'll switch to evals and I'll just like if we're still doing this by 2:00, I'll just switch to evals and trade evals. I have no problem doing that. That's risk management. I'm not going to blow my funded accounts. I'll grab like 2 Apex evals and I'll trade evals and see if I get them over, and that's it. Because I'm willing to take shittier setups on evals. Call it a Tijuana market. Yo, my dad lives in Mexico, Marie, and my brothers go down there all the time. And I'm like, yo, have you been to a donkey show? My dad doesn't know what it is. It's fucking hysterical. Not that I don't even know if it's real, but I just fucking bust his balls. I'm like, yo, when you're around town, ask if you could ask the locals if there's a local donkey show you can go to. He's like, yeah, man, I'll ask next time I'm out. Oh, my dad's so funny. He lives at the bottom of the Baja, basically. My brothers have a house down there too. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I'm not going to one, to be honest. That's a little too much for me. You know what I want to go to? Have you seen Power Slap? Anybody seen Power Slap in here? I want to go to a Power Slap event. I kind of want to take this short. This will be the one time we break to all-time high, to new highs, though. Bro, when we do Vegas, I want to see if they have Power Slap. That would determine what weekend I go, if I can get tickets. What's Power Slap? Marie, go to Google and type in Power Slap highlights. Like right now. Power Slap highlights. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's a sport where two people stand across from a table and they fucking take turns slapping each other as hard as they can. People getting knocked the fuck out too. Like imagine having a bunch of drinks and watching dudes just slap each other. Yeah, Dana White runs it. Yep. It's crazy. No, but I have watched pillow fighting on ESPN Ocho at like 1 a.m. Have you ever seen pillow fighting on ESPN? They also have like phone booth jujitsu and they have like car jujitsu. They got a ton of weird sports. This thing's going for it now. Ever been denied an Apex payout? I have, Charlie. I have. I deserved it, but I have. Oh, so this thing just gonna go for it? I hope not. So shitty. Oh, I wonder if I got food at home. But yeah, I want to go see a Power Slap while I'm in Vegas. How do you get Power Slap tickets? Let's see. Power Slap tickets. Let's see. Holy shit, we can do Power Slap. Tickets on sale. Yo, how much are tickets to watch this shit? Bro, why do I have to click all these buttons just to see? Oh my God, man. I just want to see how much fucking tickets are. I'll go to SeatGeek. Power Slap. There's no tickets for Power Slap in SeatGeek? Market only goes up. Bro, I'm not. I mean, I draw a line somewhere. Yo, I'm going to take this. I'm holding for fucking. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Is tonight game one, Stockage? Is that game one or game two? I might watch it. Oh no. You know what? Is today Friday? Dude, I got a kid's event today. I got to go do something after. Oh my God. I got something to go do tonight. Fuck me, man. I got to go to this event tonight. Fuck, man. What were the odds on the Dodgers when I bet them? I think it was like plus 400. I bet the odds. I bet it at the beginning of the season that they would win. I think it was plus 400 or plus 350, something like that. They were obviously favorites. I mean, it seemed like, I don't want to say a no-brainer, but it kind of seemed like a good bet to me personally. You know, you had to assume they're going to make the playoffs, right? You got to assume that they're probably going to get a bye. You know, and that's where they have a lot of firepower. I mean, I thought the odds were pretty good, but I think I threw $250 on it. I'm still trying to find my Power Slap. Bro, Power Slap tickets are fucking expensive. Holy shit. Dude, if I want to be front row, it's $300. And then like all the way up is fucking 180. I thought there'd be like $50 tickets. Dude, that's crazy. I don't know. I got to look at it. I would watch bare knuckle fighting. Power Slap, you're guaranteed to watch people get knocked the fuck out, though. So how would I not want to go see that? Oh man, dude, I would love to be there. Me and my boys having some drinks, watching dudes just get fucking knocked out. I mean, sounds like a good afternoon, and then go gamble. Who are the humans that sign up? I don't know, man. Not all heroes wear capes. This market is so fucking shitty. Oh. I don't know. This is looking pretty shitty. I want to see us return to 391. What's up, AD? Yo, gold was the play this morning when I got in it. Good night, AD. See you tomorrow. Well, actually, I'm not trading tomorrow. I'll be trading crypto tomorrow. I'll be trading crypto over the weekend in the Discord, probably. Man, oh man, oh man. Night, night. Keep your butthole tight. If you guys haven't seen the Chappelle Show, you should go watch it. Chappelle Show. Chappelle Show. Yeah, that's a good week, AD. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I know. Chappelle Show was awesome, man. Yo, the Mad Real World was one of my favorite episodes. Correction. I did have sex with Katie. You know, that shit was freaking hysterical. I'll be in the Discord for crypto. Crypto Discord. Man, honestly, I'm going to jump off. I'm going to go eat something. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. I'm fucking starving. I'm hanging out in this short. Whatever happens, happens. I might get out somewhere around here. You know, or trail it maybe. But I actually took profits. I was in wealth charts with a mini and I took profits. But I kind of want to see this come down a bit. I have not seen that stock itch. But oh man. All right. I'll be back at 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna go get food. I know I ate. I'm starving though. And I want to go get some water. I'm thirsty. So I will see you at 2 p.m. My Funded Futures has the flash sale. Code Cove Trader if you want to do it. Other than that, I'll be on it too. Flash sale starts at 12. All right. Peace.